The pool's company, we are the contractor.
Oh, because I had somebody come over.
No.
That's fine. That's fine, dear.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's fine. Okay. I've been in this house since it was built.
Mm-hmm.
And this I don't know.
Okay. So this is the...
So I had a couple of men look at it.
Mm-hmm.
They were, if it wasn't something flipping or whatever on the side of the house.
Online. So I'm trying to call you right now, but you're not answering, but you opened the door. So...
Well, I'm old. I don't have a computer. I'm 93 years old. I don't
really?
have a computer.
Mashallah. You look so young. Not but a 90.
Well,
really,
I
really,
don't.
really.
And my daughter called me and says, "You better clean the kitchen."
Oh my God.
And I got up. I said, "Oh, well, I got time. I think I'll have a little
You have
lunch."
to call the cleaning company to come and help you. You don't need to work anything, right?
Jeez.
I think this is better. You have to just only rest.
He went cling, 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 and he called you. I said, "This must be somebody,
And I'm here.
somebody really knows what the heck they're doing."
And I'm already here.
And you're here, and I'm so happy to see that.
Okay, so let me just see and find the part.
You already know I got a dirty kitchen.
No worries about that. I told you. No worries.
Get over there to across the house. I've
Are
installed
you live
that.
alone?
Yeah.
Oh my God. This
Isn't
is
it?
so hard, no? Or you like to live alone?
No, I have friends.
Oh.
They come.
Okay.
They make a mess and go to sleep.
Yeah, so in our country, we don't do like this kind of party. If we have a party, they come and help you.
What country do you come from?
We are from Tajikistan.
Where's that?
It's Central Asia. It's close to Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan,
'Cause I do a lot of-
Afghanistan.
What's it near? I've been everywhere that I can think of, and I
Oh.
didn't know what that is. Is that a big place? A small?
No, that's like a small country, Tajikistan.
Next to what? Near to what?
Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan,
Okay.
Afghanistan. It's close. There's a lot of stan.
Afghanistan. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. That's not interesting.